I'll get a software.
Not cartoon.
What?
I know you like to download a lot of games
Of
here,
course.
right?
You have to favor me, you know. I don't have a laptop.
Oh, you can use it anytime.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
So you're going to tell me the password when you put it, isn't it?
Wow, this is nice.
What's this button for?
Yeah, this is a power button.
Okay.
Look at this.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Congrats,
Thank you,
brother.
baby.
Emeka, this is really nice.
Yes, it's
So
nice,
nice.
right? I hope you don't download all the games in the world.
Don't tell him your password, only me.
Haha, I'm not telling any of you my password. I know what you can do. I know what you can do.
That's about it.
Oh, brother, this is so fine. Congrats.
Thank you, baby.
You know, Dad says I'll be a doctor, and I'm working towards that.
Wow. That's a very nice profession. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm very proud of you. Come here.
Doctor, as for me, I'm going to be a lawyer.
Lawyer?
Yes. Because I see myself already in the Supreme Court. So that's it.
That's a very good one. I'm looking forward to it.
What's this button for?
Oh, this is the power button. This
Okay.
is a space key. Yes.
Okay.
You have a lot to teach me.
I have a lot to teach you, but you will pay me for it.
Amy, when I pass my own jam, Dad will get me my own present. Maybe a car.
I see.
know you love cars, right?
Benz for that.
Speaking of presents, I was thinking we could contribute some money to get our parents a present for their forthcoming wedding anniversary. What do you think? What do you guys think?
We don't have money to do that.
I know, but we can contribute the little we have, even if it's a token. Come on, they will appreciate it. They will be very, very proud of us. Let's just do it.
Yeah, I'm certain they will appreciate it. They'll be so happy. They will get them a present.
And I have the perfect gift.
Okay, I'm curious now.
A strawberry vanilla cake.
No.
What? What
You're
is
not
wrong
getting
with
cake
her?
for parents because you love cake too much.
She will finish it before it gets.
Yes.
Everyone loves cake.
Ada, we're not getting cake for
You want to eat that cake? I know you.
Yeah, everyone has to eat the cake. Everyone loves cake.
It's a gift.
Fine.
And I don't think I like
is
the
nice.
cake.
Bro, just come and see.
Josh, welcome.
Yes. What's going on here?
We are admiring Emeka's new laptop.
We were talking about getting a gift for our parents for their forthcoming wedding anniversary. That's a very good idea. What do you think?
Wait a minute. Who called for this meeting?
It's not really a meeting. We're just
Then what is it if it's not a meeting? Congregation of vultures? How can you call for a meeting as important as this to take such an important decision without me, the first son, presiding over it?
Josh, you're getting it all wrong. This is not a meeting, and we are not making any decisions here.
Now listen, all of you, especially you, Emeka. I am the first son of this family, and I will not let anybody whosoever toy with that position or trample on my rights in this family.
Joshua, your comment is not necessary now.
Now you will shut up and let me talk.
Josh, why are you so hostile? Why are you embarrassing everybody? What is wrong with you?
Can I finish, please? Now I take exception to that. This is how trouble starts in families. When people that think they've achieved everything in life tend to disrespect their seniors. Now, by the power, vector power invested in me, as the legitimate and bona fide first son of this family, this meeting is considered over.
Joshua.
Yes, primarily dismissed, null and void. And let me warn. You see this insult just meted on me, the first son. Let it not repeat itself again. Especially those that think that they have achieved, that they just won a peace scholarship. You're using me to learn English. You've not even gone to Harvard. You've not even gone to the UK. You're here speaking nonsense English. For me, you don't have respect. Okay? You don't have single respect. Because you won a scholarship, or is it a medal, or is it World Cup? People People like Mark Zuckerberg, with all the money and achievements he has, he's humble. People like Bill Gates, with all his achievements, with all his money, he's humble and nice. Look at our own Dangote. With all the industries, factories, everything he has, he is humble and nice. But you, just because of ordinary scholarship that anybody has ever gotten, you are the first person that got it in life. You carry everybody in your head. You want to become the leader. You want to take over the position of the first son in this house. I will not allow you. I'm talking to you, Emeka, most especially. Nonsense. It's not a decision. It's not anything.
Emeka, don't mind him. Joshua, bona fide first son, legitimate first son, intimidating everybody. Carry your laptop, let's go inside my room. First son.
We were happy before he came in, you know. Just cheer up.
Honestly, I don't understand why Joshua is so hostile on me. He picks at me at every little thing.
You should get used to it. Okay? What did you say this button was for again?
I'm not in the mood right now. Please just let me think. Please just let me.
Brother Joshua, I don't like the way you're always harassing and embarrassing Brother Emeka every time. He's not good now. Eh? Are you envious of him?
Are you mad? Are you alright? How dare you stand before me and talk nonsense?
It's not nonsense, so. Don't you know all these kind of things you are saying is giving you emotion now?
Just shut up! If you talk about slap okra out of your eyes.
I don't know why you're being so hostile to everybody in this house. What is it said? Every time you'll be shouting. Every time you're shouting.
Ada? Starting when? Since when, Ada? Now listen. If I hear fame from you again, I will tell mommy about all the boys that you have been going out with on this street. So respect yourself.
What are you even saying?
Oh, you have forgotten. Have you forgotten that I still have the evidence with me? Okay, wait. So that in case you have forgotten, let me refresh your memory. Because I can see you're going mad. Yes, this is it. You seen it? It is still fresh on my phone. This is the boy that always come to this house to look for you when our parents are out. And you think I don't know? I got a reliable information that anytime you're coming back from school, you branch to his house. That is it.
It's a lie. There's nothing of this sort.
No problem. Don't forget, it is your word against mine. Try me in this house and you will see fire.
I'll tell mommy that you're blackmailing me because I caught you with a girl in the house.
No problem. Fine. When mommy comes back, I will tell her. I will know who mommy will believe, if it is me or you. Don't also forget that Tony is ready anytime, any day to come and testify against you. Hey, he's ready to come and say the truth that you are his girlfriend.
You're so mean.
Yeah, you're so mean. My God. They're beginning to coach you now, teaching you some bad things to disrespect your senior. You have forgotten that I'm your elder brother in this house. If you give me the respect due from me, you will have peace. Failure to do that, I will give you the training that you deserve as the first son, bona fide and legitimate first son of this family.
Between, it's only God that is everything that happens.
I'm envious of you. I can't be envious of an urchin. Everybody's now worshiping him now because he won one nonsense scholarship.
Uche, see. There's something you really need to understand. Computer knowledge, your computer science knowledge, and your sound knowledge of IT. I mean, there is a way we have to make money. Let's use your brain and make money.
My brother, what is it that we need to try? Yeah, what is it that we have not tried?
You remember Jonah in our class? Jonah is you.
Of course now. Of course.
Jonah is now A big boy.
With Jonas.
He drive cars, jeeps, just name it. Jonah has made it. Even the Roland you know.
Roland Onishi.
The same Roland you know. He's now a multi-billionaire.
How? How did they make money?
You just need to understand.
No. What are they doing? No, tell me, what are they doing? Is it, do they do ritual?
No, come on, don't say that. You know I can't involve myself in money ritual. I can't involve myself in that. See, there's this deal. It's a smart deal. Once we get involved in it, we make it real big. Trust me.
My brother, what is it? Tell me, what is it?
Okay, I have a friend. His name is Keska. He has the moves, the smartness, the idea that we need to be millionaires. Keska has the knowledge.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you.
You are sure that the process is legit enough? My brother, as long as it's legit, I will do everything that is legit to make money.
100% legit. I can assure you.
Just wait for me.
Okay.
Let me go and get something. I'm coming.
All right.
So the whole thing is for you to use your computer expertise to hack into the online transaction and divert the money.
One time.
Franco, this was not what we agreed. This is not legit.
Come on, bro. It is. I mean, we are targeting on the politicians. They've been stealing our money.
Yes, it is. This is our own way of sharing from the national cake. See, bro, it's legit.
100%.
See, tell me, are you in or not?
Okay?
Good.
I'm in.
See, now I have the link, okay? Your duty is to hack and load. Akon, we provide the account details of the receiver. Do you understand? Why Franco here is the coordinator?
Yes.
You get? It's so simple.
Coordinating things, as you know.
Now, if the money drops on the account receiver's account,
Yes.
and he runs away with the money,
Oh, come on.
Come on. He dare not. The last person that tried to run away with our money is having a meeting with his ancestors as I speak. Do you understand? Come on, relax.
I told you. 100% assurance.
Come on, guys. Come on. Don't need all that, bro. Relax.
We're making it real big.
I'm telling you.
Trust me.
Give me the money. Hey, will you tell me something? Give me the money. Hey, will you tell me something? Give me the money. I will tell you something. Give me the money. I will tell you something.
Wait. I'll give you money. Don't come close to me.
Imaranyaya sonaka. Imaranyaya. I'm California. Ah!
me now? Why is she following me?
Hey! There is a stranger in your house. A stranger. Who is he? Is it you or me? Clifford Okurora. What can I don't know.
I am so bitter. Like, I am so angry. Imagine, as the first son of my father, I don't even have access to his property. I don't have access. I don't know anything about his property. But look at my younger brother. My younger brother knows everything. He has access to my father's property, and it's annoying.
And you have mouth to be saying it. Are you not stupid? Are you not stupid? Your own younger brother. You, the Okoko, you don't even know anything about your father's property, and you call yourself first son. Let me tell you. As the legitimate and bona fide first son of your family, you ought to know, up to your father's boxers, you ought to know how he got it, where he got it, and where he keeps it. If you don't know, just do something on time now, before it becomes too late. Before you know it, you become inconsequential in your family if you don't know.
You see what Lois dey say, this guy here no qualified to be our friend. When men stand, boy can't stand. Imagine you dey here, they panic, say your younger brother won't do this, won't do that. These days where biro and paper they talk past human being. As you stand here now, just biro and paper, you don't see yourself for prison. Now you dey here, suffering they talk. Your daddy fit just sleep one night and dream bad dream. The next day, carry phone, call lawyer. May he sign everything to your younger brother. And when you're old, you go do get man follow your younger brother. Correct.
My lie. You no go happen.
My brother, you have to put your brother where he belongs. Exactly. Earlier enough. I'm telling you. Because as a legitimate and bona fide first son, it is your duty to detect for him where he stands, what he does, what he is supposed to be doing.
Ma'am,
when you're there.
For my family, who born monkey? Who borrow and liver? When my own younger brother can't stand, they shine eye for me. You know fit happen. See, as I dey here, forget I get small body. As I dey here, everybody they marry for that house. But once they hear sound of gate, say, now me one step in. If you see other animal, relax. Understand? I will dey your younger brother to oppress you. Guy, better do something, no. In fact, very soon, we go come out for this our first son union. Yes, we will come out, you know, fit.
The question now is, what will I do? What will I? Because I've thought outside the box. Like I don't know what will I do?
What to do?
The only thing I just make him.
I get idea. Yes. Just wake up one morning, accuse and say, Ina homo. Label a homosexual.
Yes.
Homosexual?
Yes. They tell you go bam where. That's the best way. Remember say that your brother so they behave holy every Tuesday. They put Bible for page they pass. They never say with any girl. So your parents, neighbors, they will just believe you once.
But what if he denies it? He can deny it now.
You be Jesus where they fear Peter's denier. What did they worry you? Now one day did that kiss person? You go just in the morning like this. If he pass, you no greet you. Call am Omo. What did they worry? You no see me here. Oh, I no greet big bros. If you see and say shake guy for road, if you snap and say go show your friend say, that will believe you once. Just abuse am anyhow.
That's it. Just make him uncomfortable. Once you make him uncomfortable, he has no choice than to begin to respect your authority.
The thinking alone, you know, say that name homo. The thinking go make am come dey lean like who get coronavirus. Allah.
Not true, but
He go lean.
People that have coronavirus, they get
HIV, HIV. Yes.
Tony.
Accuse them. They hit them like who they put fire for oven. The head go correct.
Well, my own is not just about making you uncomfortable. I remember very well when we were growing up. One day, I came across, heard my parents having an argument, my mom and my dad. This one say, should I tell him? This one say, no, tell him. No, this one. Along the line, my father won the argument. And I began to find out, growing up, I was trying to, who were they arguing this thing about? It was later I found out it was Emeka. Mm-hmm. I started investigating. I started looking out and let me see what is this? Should I tell him? No. And I found out that I discovered that Emeka is different from all of us. Hospital where he was born was different. The doctor that attended to him and signed his birth certificate is different from the doctor that signed our own. He started becoming intelligent more than all of us. Every other, look at my siblings, look at me. So he was different from every other person. That's why I knew that he was not, and he was challenging me. The bona fide and legitimate first son. I put him where he's supposed to belong.
But your brother Emeka looks more like your dad. Like he looks like your father. Like he's just a carbon copy of your dad.
Tibuna. He can be a love child from another woman, not
exactly.
Home away.
Exactly.
Home away.
You see, you this Tony, you are sensitive. This is exactly what I was thinking about. I'm sure this Emeka was a product of a broken condom somewhere. I said it. Don't look at it now. So now, product of being useless is coming to challenge bona fide and legitimate first son. Hi. You see that? You see it? That is why I stood my ground. I made him understand that you are talking to the legitimate, the bona fide first son of Madoka family. You are here telling me that you're angry, you're doing this one. Do the need for my
Shebi, you don't see anything at the tell you. Don't hear your own side of the story now. You see why they tell you? Because this guy, if he continue to do more like woman, so we go leave you.
Marco, don't be stupid. It's an advice.
See,
just enter
let
inside.
me still give him the last advice because you know even they pay for it.
And we know you are very smart.
The last advice what I fit give you now. You see that your brother, you know be Jesus wey go dey fear say Peter will deny you now. May he deny. They know that this person one day, if he just wake up in the morning, if he no greet you, say, hey, Komo, why no greet me? If he just say and say he shake another guy for road somehow, you say, now don't start am. Simple. These are the hitter like who they put fire for oven. He head go calm down one day. You no get choice than to come dey do you. Bros.
I'm not really going to respect you.
Bros, even your father, that time you go believe say God no make mistake.
Yeah.
Send you with first.
You see, you wear earring, they behave like say you be true man if you don't know.
After dealing with this my younger brother. After dealing with him.
Yes now.
Hey.
Yes now. Just get out. Just go inside. Let's know the good.
It's alright.
Later.
It's alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think I'll just do it now. Tell you.
Hey, Tony, that you did Chijoke.
Joshua.
Are you happy with the way mom and dad are giving Emeka preferential treatments, making all of us, every other person, look like slaves?
Joshua, you know Emeka is very intelligent and he has achieved so much within.
Why do you talk like a fool sometimes? Yeah? All the time you be thinking like a child, thinking like I don't want to call you idiot. Okay. Don't you know that all these achievements that he's getting is as a result of the pamper and the attention our parents are giving to him? Don't you know? Let me ask you. Did you not come first in your last term exams?
Yes, I did.
Did they celebrate it for you?
No.
Hey, the answer is no. They didn't celebrate it. All because they are giving him that preferential treatment. Look at me. 3 years now. I've been writing jump. I will write. No success, no high score, nothing. But our parents dressed up from this house, went to jump office themselves, paid them huge amount of money. Meanwhile, I have been begging them to help me get a mercenary. This thing I'm begging them is not even yes, the amount of money it will take is 50,000. I will pass it and enter the university like every other person. They did not. Instead, they now went paid huge amount of money for them to give him high score in jump exam. And you are not thinking anything about this thing. And you don't see there's something wrong in this whole thing.
Joshua, are you serious about this?
Oh, you don't even know what is happening. Like, you are in this house, you don't study what is happening. Wait, I will tell you more things that have been happening in this house that are more interesting. Come. What do you mean, are you serious?
Hey! Hey!
Oh, I told you. You're tired. Hey! Don't just keep quiet. Don't say it. Keep quiet.
daughter, I told you this story to encourage you. The young man never gave up, in spite of difficulties and frustrations from the stepmother. My daughter, you've been very strong. And I encourage you to remain strong and focused.
I will, Dad. At least for your sake and Mom's. I will.
Thank you very much.
The boy. Where is he?
I don't know. We lost contact after I relocated. But I'm very sure he's doing very well wherever he is. And I wish him well.
On behalf of the boy, I must say thank you for helping him, Dad. It's so inspiring.
Thank you, my daughter. You see, there is joy in giving and helping others. Giving is an aspect of love. And the more you give love, the more you get. And if you continue to give love, a time comes you become a magnet of love. I tell you this, the highest form of love is when you give without expecting reward.
That's what you always say. When you give without expecting a reward.
Exactly. Thank you, my daughter.
Thank you, Dad.
Back to my orange.
Oh.
You sure you don't want to take it? Vitamin C. Good for corona.
Good girl with her friend.
Ada, why is this madman always following us? Are you owing him or something?
I'm not owing him. This is not even the first time I'm seeing him. Anytime he sees me, he will be overacting and be saying nonsense. Eh? Let's go.
Give me money! I said give me money! Give me money! I will tell you something.
Sometimes these madmen can be saying the truth, but people might not understand.
He just needs money to smoke. Let's go.
Let me give him money.
I will tell you something.
Ada, let me give him money so that you will leave us to
Joy. Wait. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you good news. Tell your brother that he is my brother. Yes, your brother is my brother. Brother from brother. Brother against brother. Your brother is my brother. Brother for brother. Brother against brother. Which one? Brother for brother. Brother against brother. This is end of this story. This is the end of this news. This news is compiled by Clifford Madukanaya. Harambe, Chichibanya,
Oche, you are my son. And if you are going in the wrong direction, it is my responsibility to take you back to the right track. The kind of company I see you keep in recent times is worrisome. Yes. I mean, from the look in the faces of those young men, they look like criminals. And your company with them will not bring any good to you. Okay?
Papa, those my friends, do you know them? How can you be calling innocent people criminals? Papa, they are not criminals. They are business guys.
Business guys. So, what business do they do?
Okay, Papa, they go on the internet, they buy and sell. That is the business they do, because everything in this world now, whether you are in the village or in township, as long as you have internet, everything is transacted on the net.
No. From what I see in those young men, they are not businessmen. Yes, they are criminals, internet fraudsters, scammers. And you don't need to get yourself involved in things like that. Believe me.
Papa, that's the problem. That's why you are old school. These days, you don't need to work. You can stay on your phone and make money. What they do, they buy and sell. Papa, those guys are businessmen using their God-given talent to take their own part of the national cake. They're not criminals. How can you call people that you don't know? You don't know how they operate just because they come here as my friends. You have labeled them criminals. Papa, no, it's not fair. It's not fair.
I'm so sad that you have eyes but you cannot see. If you look at them properly, you will see criminality written all over them. Uche, what you should be engaging yourself in now is looking for a very good job. A good job, yes, and work.
Papa, I am not interested in going to people's offices to beg them for jobs that are not in existence. Looking for jobs that are not there. Me, go to somebody's office again to beg for a job. Papa, I do not have the connections. I do not have anybody to help me get a good job. Papa, I have decided now to sit down and hustle for myself. Go and look for a job, Where is the job? Papa, that's your own time. Or our own time now is we make money through what we know, knowledge.
Uche.
Eh?
It took me enormous effort to build this image that we enjoy in this family right now. I don't want you to engage in anything that will tarnish the name and image of this family. Please. Okay?
I've heard you, Dad. Thank you.
Uche, life is a marathon and not a 100 meters dash. Yes, things are not rosy now. Things are rough for us now. But with time they will ease off. Okay, just take it easy.
I've heard you, Papa. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you, Papa. I've heard you. Thank you for your fatherly advice. Can I go now? Can I go? You're looking at me. Well, not when I go now, you come back and say I walked out on you. Can I go? Thank you for your advice.
Okay. You understood my advice, right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
When I think it's over, when I think I've lost all, that is when God says, calm down. When I think I'm a nobody, when I think my world has crumbled, that is when God restored me.
Hey, my gig will soon enter. So this is when they talk rubbish here. Chelsea 2-1. Wow. Today I must win money. This is what we are saying. Within 78 minutes. Wow.
Uche.
Babe. Why your face there like this now? Sit down.
I don't want to sit down.
Ha.
Uche, I do not like the way you speak to Dad. I don't like the way you make him feel bad. I mean, you blame him for everything that has gone wrong in your life. It's not fair. I mean, it's not even right.
Babe, listen. Eh? A good name without money or assets is nothing. A man has got to do what a man has got to do to feed his family.
I disagree with you. A good name will always be better than money any day, any time.
Do I blame you? You're a woman. One man now will just comfort victim, carry you, and carry your problems to his house. But for me, I will stay in this house, be hustling, struggling, praying to God to bless me to build a house and marry.
Can you see your tantrums? All I ask is, can you please stop making Dad feel bad? It's not his fault that the economy is bad.
Your father is the one harassing my life for trying to live my life the way I want to live it. He should leave me alone, no. He should leave me alone, no. Look, I don't want to end up as poor as he is. I'm on the fast lane. All my friends, they are doing well. Let your father leave me alone. I don't want to be as poor as he is. Up, Maka!
How could you have fallen so far? What is wrong with you? Have you forgotten all the sacrifices Dad made to get us this far? How he sold his land? How he worked so hard to pay Mom's bills when she had cancer, yet she died. He still put a roof over our head and food on the table. You blame him all the time. You insult him because he doesn't know any governor or any minister. Meanwhile, all he's asking of you is to stay away from the fast lane, stay away from crime. How is that a bad thing? I mean, what? How could you be this ungrateful? Why are you so ungrateful?
Sister, if you like, cry out blood. You see, blackmail does not affect me again. Leave me alone. If you no get money, hide your face. Full stop. What is it? I better come on for here. Don't come and give me your own bad luck. Oh. If this game no enter, me you go put leg for one skirt. Oh. Perfect. Thunder go fire you. Thunder way get guy name go destroy you. Perfect. Okay, girl. Perfect. Let's get wicked.
Well, Emeka, we, your siblings, have decided to do the right thing today. To tell you the truth. You know, as they say, only the truth can set us free.
I don't understand. What truth are you talking about?
Emeka, there's a secret in this family. A big secret that I want to reveal to you here and now.
A secret? What secret?
Emeka, you can see for yourself. Just look at us. Here, us. You can see that we are different and you are different from us. And that is why you do everything you do differently. That is why our parents treat you differently too.
What's all this difference? Look, I have an assignment to do now. I have to go.
Oh. You want to work out on us? This actually shows you don't have respect for your elder brother. You have forgotten I'm your elder brother. But let me remind you that I am the bona fide and legitimate first son of this family. And I demand the respect, especially from you. Well, the difference I was talking about before your rude intervention of almost walking out on us is that you, Emeka, you are not a member of this family. Yes, you were an abandoned child somewhere, picked up by our mother into this family, and that is why you are treated different. That is why you are different in everything, and you are treated differently. You are pampered by our parents so that you will not feel isolated.
What exactly are you talking about? What kind of silly joke is this? What's wrong with you? Do you even know what you're saying?
Am I the one you're shouting? You're standing off. Eh? Don't you have respect? You know it. You don't have common respect for your seniors. First down. You're standing up. Oh, you want to beat me? Let me tell you if you don't. Hey, Chidoke. I'm very angry. Respect yourself. Let me tell you something if you don't know. Let me give you a complete lowdown of this family so that you will know where you belong. Because you don't belong to this family. Like I told you. After my mother gave birth to me, making me the bona fide and legitimate first son of this family, it took her a very long time before she conceived. When she finally did, she gave birth not to you, but to Chijoke here, making him bona fide, legitimate second son. Then, Ada followed. As for you, you were abandoned in one place, one dungeon. My mother saw you, beat you, fixed you in between when she was finding it difficult to conceive. Now, hey, don't say, if you say a word, okay, you can go over here. Shut up! If you want to call me, put Uncle Josh. I am not your mate, I am not your brother. Like I was saying before, you rudely interrupt the bona fide and legitimate first son. You were in one dungeon somewhere. My mother picked you up, brushed you, fixed you in between. All these things I mentioned, did you see yourself in this lineage? Did you? You better go and look for where you came from. Find your square root. I am the bona fide, legitimate first son. Chijoke here, bona fide, legitimate second son. Then Ada, go and find your square root. Where will they go? Chijoke. Is it true? It can't be true. Mom. No, this is a lie, Mom. Mom, tell me this is a lie. No, Mother! Mom, please tell me. All I am saying is that you are the bona fide and the legitimate second son of this family. Not Emeka. Emeka is a stranger. Huh? That is, they have given him all the preferential treatment and they are making us look like fools, like idiots, like slaves in our own father's house. Is it fair? Eh? He has been the one taking all the blessings that you are supposed to take as a second son. Eh? No, are you happy about it? No, you can't be happy. Even if you're happy, it is my duty as your senior brother to reset your brain so that you will see the ills of this whole thing, what is going on in this family. It's not good. Eh? But don't worry. I have it all planned out. I have strategized a means to make this thing so that you will take your full position as a second son in this family. Now listen. When I inherit everything from mommy and daddy, I am going to share it into 2 equal parts. Nobody will cheat anybody. I will give you 1 part. Then you will assume your position as the second son. So don't worry.
Joshua, so what of Ada? Won't she partake in the sharing?
Who is Ada?
Our sister Ada.
We are talking about men. We are talking about Ada, who is a girl. Ada doesn't know anything. Ada is just a small girl. She doesn't even know anything. Maybe by that time, even though I know that very soon I will inherit the property, but maybe by that time, thank God she's growing, she would have gotten married to another man, be in another man's family, and be answering another man's name, will she come from her husband's house and be asking for property here? Is it possible? That is why I said that this family belongs to you and I. Men in the family. First son, second son, not Emeka, a stranger. So all I need now is your support. Let us fight this household enemy. Let us fight this war and win it well, legitimately, as the children, bona fide children of this family. Who is where you are talking about? Look at you. A whole legitimate son. Look at the way you're dressing. Look at the way you look. Look at Emeka wearing all the designers. And you say there's nothing wrong. You better open your eyes to reality. Open your eyes and know. You better follow me as a first son, bona fide first son of this family, to fight this battle and win it. If not, everything that belongs to you will go to a total stranger. And I know what that means.
Dad, how was it?
Better.
Yeah.
It was great. It was great. After that, we had a meeting. So that's when it lasted for 3 days.
Mom, hope you're not stressed.
Mom, I even hurt my feet while playing football.
Oh, really?
Congratulations.
Sorry about that.
Have you told Emeka that I sent for him?
Yes, Mom, he's coming.
It's alright.
I'm gonna have some.
Please, don't even start. You share it.
Is that how you go out? Stay in one way.
Ini, why are you like this? Are you alright? You are crying.
What is going on here? Emeka, what's the problem?
What is wrong with him?
Dad.
Yes?
Mom.
Yes, dear.
Who are my parents?
I beg your pardon?
What did he say?
I asked for my parents. Just tell me.
What kind of question is that?
Dad, please just tell me the truth. I'll kill myself, please.
No. What have they done to my...
Do not touch me, Mom. Do not touch me. I need answers right now.
Emeka. Chukwu Emeka. If you are still my son, and you are still normal in your head, calm down and explain this thing to us. What are you talking about? You're embarrassing us. What is the matter?
Dad, while you were away, my siblings gathered and told me I'm a stranger in their midst. They said I was an abandoned baby when Mom picked me up, and that's why I'm very different. Do I look different?
What? Somebody said that? Chijoke.
Daddy.
Is it true what he's saying?
Daddy, it's Joshua.
Joshua? Joshua, what is the meaning of all this? What kind of joke is this?
A joke?
Didn't you tell Emeka, your sibling, that he was an abandoned child? That he's just adopted into this family? Didn't you say that?
whatever that means, I'm sorry. But
what's funny?
You just said it's a joke. I was only joking with him.
What kind of sick joke is that? What kind of depraved joke is that? Joshua, are you mad?
But Dad, we all know in this house how we normally joke with ourselves. Like, he practically jokes with me and said that I'm a blockhead and I'm a troublemaker. And I just gave him a jab. I joked back at him, that's all.
What kind of expensive and stupid joke is that? Do you know the amount of emotional trauma you've made him pass through these few days? Just look at your brother. Look at how lean my son has become.
God. Joshua, why are you so wicked and treacherous? Why? Why?
Hey, Dad, it hasn't gotten to that. It was just a normal joke that we joke among ourselves, that's all. Dad, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to upset anyone.
Sorry for your sick self. Sorry for yourself.
Joshua. Joshua. You see this table you are shaking? It's too large. Bigger than you.
How could you?
Do not push it.
How could you?
Do not. Because you won't stand your faith. You will not stand your feet. I'm saying myself. I have just said my own. Do not push it.
What nonsense?
Don't.
What kind of joke is this?
No, please, I'm sorry.
Your own brother? You just manufacture this nonsense?
I'm sorry. It will repeat itself again. Please.
Get out. Get out of my presence. Why is this so mean?
Come, my son. Wipe your tears, okay?
Okay, sit down. Come on, sit down. You just heard him, okay? It's a joke. A silly joke for that matter anyway. But it's nothing, okay? Calm down, it's nothing.
Don't mind your brother. He's just being mischievous.
Exactly. Emeka, you heard him. He was just joking. Though it's such a stupid joke, but it's still a joke. So please calm down, okay? Don't take it to heart, eh? Okay?
How could you ever believe that we are not your parents?
He made me believe every word he said. And even Chijioke and Ada couldn't even support me. They supported him.
Serious?
They even walked out on me.
Chijioke.
Daddy.
Ada, you people think you're still children? You think you're still babies?
Daddy will try to.
You tried what? Come, get out. Get out of here, both of you. Nonsense. Carry this rubbish.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
Son, look at me. Don't really look alike. Huh? You're like my photocopy. How could anybody convince you that you're not my son? Come on, look at your mom. Look at your mother. It's okay.
It's okay, my dear.
I'll take care of this matter. I will.
Me. Now go freshen up. You have a lot to share with your siblings. Come on. Give me that smile.
Mom will come and give you the best.
I'm very hungry. I haven't even eaten in days.
Oh my God.
Huh? See, I am coming to make your favorite. Okay? I don't mind being tired. I'm going to make a special meal for you.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah, I'm coming. Freshen up. Yeah, my boy.
This matter. Calm down. Calm. We agreed on this. We agreed on this matter. No, please, not now. Not now.
No! His land, how he worked so hard to pay mom's bills when she had cancer, yet she died. He still put a roof over our head and food on the table. You blame him all the time. You insult him because he doesn't know any governor or any minister. Meanwhile, all he's asking of you is to stay away from the fast lane, stay away from crime. How is that a bad thing? I mean, how could you be this ungrateful? Why are you so ungrateful?
Sister, if you like, cry out blood. You see, blackmail does not affect me again. Leave me alone. If you no get money, hide your face. Full stop. What is it?